Hi everyone, it's my pleasure to announce that today Testo India has reached a milestone of 15 years service in India. On this Testo India's work anniversary, I would like to express my happiness and gratitude to all my associates without whom this journey would not have come so far. Over the years, Testo India has grown as a family where we not only take care of our responsibilities but also support and take care of each other so that everyone can grow, develop and make our dreams come true. We have always strived to excel, improve and establish ourselves as a company known for its products, services and commitment. I would like to congratulate all my colleagues and teammates who have been associated with us throughout these years and contributed to this journey. Their association is every thick and thin has been priceless and clearly a wonderful sign for any organization. On this occasion, I would like to thank our CEO, Mr. Burkat Konaspe, for giving me an opportunity and privilege to work with him. His vision for this growth engine called Testo has been always an inspiration for me. I would like to also congratulate my colleagues at headquarters for providing us with quality products and innovative products and their support for establishing Testo brand in India. Since inception, Testo India in 2006, we have been on growing path and a crucial link to our success has been our channel partners. Our strong and supportive partners have always carried our brand to a newer heights with their customer service and relationship. We really appreciate their assistance and commendable association. Lastly and most importantly, we thank all our valuable customers for showing confidence in us and making these 15 years so exciting, happening and remarkable one. We have had an average growth of more than 20% since the beginning and this is the result of your trust. Today, when we have completed another successful year, we dedicate this success to all our associates. We would like to assure you, we will continue to serve in the same way, rather in the better way and provide our best support to all of you. We also hope to achieve new milestones and create new benchmark in the industry. Not only do I hope, but firmly believe that together we can do anything. Thank you. Namaste.